Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm Karis. On today's video I'm gonna be creating this eye look, guys, so please don't go anywhere. Stick to the end of the video to see how I create this eye look. And please, thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. And guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification button. And please stay into the end of the video to see where I create this eye look. Thank you. So guys, you know the drill. Once you're done concealing and extending your concealer, I'm going with my blending brush to blend off the creasing areas. The next thing, guys, with this my fluffy brush, obviously you can see I already have a product, but I started with this eye. So with my fluffy brush here, I'll begin with this my fluffy brush with my palette from Magic Pro Professional Cosmetics. Yeah, I said it's my fluffy brush. I'll be going in with this shade of this pink. Yeah, so guys, I'll be pressing it in. I extend. I'll go in circles. I'll still be going in just to get this level. So next, guys, for the next part, we're going with this blending brush. Like I said before, I've already started. So for the darker outer part, I'm beginning with this blending brush here to go in deeper, and with that same color of pink, I'll be taking in, but not much, as you can see. I'll be taking it at the edge here, and I'll be dabbing it in. I'll also be winging it a bit. We extend it to the inner corner of the eyes. And as I apply, I try to blend it, because obviously this is not the brush I'll use in blending everything out, but as I apply, I also blend. As you can see, the pink is popping out. I'm also winging it, and I'm bringing it to the inner corner, but not that much. Here. So guys, I'm going with that initial brush, but you can also use your blending brush for this. So I'm going in, I blend, I bring it in, I blend the outer place, the outer part, guys. Blend. Voila. Here. So guys, for the next interesting part, this shimmers, I'm going with this brush because I want to pack in here. I want to be able to pack in shimmers. So yeah, I'll be going with this shimmer here, because this shimmer is also same color with this pink. So I'm going with these shimmers. I'll be packing in here. As you can see, I apply. Guys, I try to control because I don't want it to go ahead of this place, so I control it by applying it like this. Am I the only one that blink? My God, I blink a lot. Here. So guys, another part to take in this brush, just do an wasabi blending. It's not really a must, but I just like to blend. I blend. Yeah. So next, guys, for another tip, I'll begin with this shimmers, these white shimmers here. I want to dab in with my smudging brush at the edge of this space. I'm applying it. As you apply, guys, you also blend together with the pink. Yes, guys, you can guess it right. Is this white graphic liner? I'm going with my neon eyeliner in white with my brush. Let's calm down and breathe in so we don't make mistakes. Here I have to place my hand on my face. Yo, is it the same? Oh God. Okay. Guys, which is better, this or this? I feel is this. I'll be back one sec. Here, guys, I finally did it. So the next part is for this stoned butterfly with my butterfly stone and with my glitters. I'm going to take a bit of, not even a bit though, I'll be going in to take my glitters gum and apply it at the edge of this my flower. Here, and I'm taking my flower here, trying to stamp it in so you don't make a move. Guys, it wasn't really a fail, but I had to take off the butterfly. Yeah, I'm going with a stone. I'm applying my glitters glue. Here I'm taking my stone. Here, guys, as you know, this eye is not yet complete without a eyeliner. Like, look at this eye look. It's not complete without an eyeliner. I'm going to get in with an eyeliner. Okay, guys, just look at that barbage. Don't look at it. You just need to keep it very simple and sexy. So yeah, I'm going with my angle brush here, taking in my eyeliner, but this is my water liner here. Because if you know you blink a lot, just go gradually, because I blink. Just want to keep the barbage simple. I'm bringing out a bit, but not so precise. See here, my girlies. Yeah, so I'm gonna be entering my mascara. So yeah, guys, I have my final look. So guys, on this, you can go on with your full makeup, your lashes, and so guys, please, thank you for sticking in to the end of the video. Thank you guys for staying in, and please, thank you to my new subscribers. Yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you. I love you so much, guys. So guys, we're gonna see you on our next video. Bye for now.